Welcome to our Genesys Cloud Did You Know session. Today, we're going to test your Genesys Cloud knowledge. Last year, we delivered over 260 features across various product areas. So whether you've been using Genesys Cloud for years or are brand new to the product, there may be functionality that you're not aware of and that you could be taking advantage of. And what better way to test everyone's knowledge than by playing our favorite quiz show, Jeopardy! Genesys Edition. So let me introduce you to our contestants today. I have Chris Bolin and Rakesh Taylor, two product managers within Genesys, who are playing today for nothing more than bragging rights, because what else is better than that? So let's test these experts and see how good they are at identifying some of these new features. So looking at the board, we have 5 different categories: inbound and outbound, digital, AI and self-service, workforce engagement, and platform. And Rakesh, let's have you kick it off. Where do we begin?
Yeah, Natalie, let's start with AI and self-service for 200.
Great. Genesys Cloud offers these voice and chatbots for use in architect interaction flows.
What are voice and chatbots with Genesys Cloud? Customers can take advantage of our native Genesys Cloud dialogue engine or integrations with Amazon Lex or Google Dialogflow. And in development soon will be an integration with Nuance, as well as our own Genesys bot connector.
Awesome.
Let's move over to AI and self-service for 400.
The ability to reuse a common process multiple times within flows and or by multiple channels by leveraging this capability.
Ooh, what are common modules? With the introduction of common modules, customers can more easily incorporate reusable blocks of routing logic across flows and even channels. Common modules can even be reused in multiple flows in the same channel for voice bots coming in through different phone numbers and from different web pages or web messaging channels. Some common use cases are listed in the slide, including status checks for pending deliveries, identity and verification services, voice payments, and omni-channel bot flows. Pretty great feature. All right, let's go to AI and self-service for 600.
This process allows you to compare 2 different bots by steering a percentage of interactions to each, helping determine which bot is more effective.
Oh, what is A/B testing for Architect? Did you know that it's really straightforward? There is a really straightforward way to set up A/B testing in Architect to compare one bot to another. The image on this slide shows how simple time-based decisions starting at the beginning of a task can lead to an even distribution of interactions, in this case every 30 seconds, down a similar yet different path, hitting a Lex bot or a Google Dialog bot, all from the single flow.
Wow, Chris, you're really on a roll. Where do we go from here?
Thanks. Let's go to inbound and outbound for 200.
Great. Via this Genesys Cloud API or used in an in-queue flow, interactions can have their priority increased or decreased while waiting to be answered.
What is the new Genesys routing conversations endpoint? Did you know that Genesys Cloud now provides a solution which enables users to increase the priority of an interaction in queue, either dynamically or using an in-queue flow, or even manually via the API? With the new tool, you can actually evaluate interactions that are waiting in queue, raise or even lower the priority to ensure that interactions jump to the top of the line or head down to the bottom to be answered by the next available agent. And just to tease a little bit of our future plans, we're expecting to offer in-queue flows for digital channels later this year, as well as the ability to set priority as a first-class action in Architect. Let's keep it this channel and go to 400.
Great. The limit of these routing options used to be 900 seconds, but now you can hold emails over the weekend or look for a preferred agent for over an hour.
What are bullseye and preferred agent routing? Keeping interactions routing for more than 15 minutes has never been easier. Users can now hold interactions in a routing ring for up to 3 days, 72 hours, 259,000 seconds. It's a great way for addressing emails that come through late in a Friday and can be routed to the right agents in the following Monday, or holding a high value SMS in queue for the last agent who worked on it, who might come in later in the day. I'm killing it right now. Eat your heart out, Ken Jennings.
Yeah, keep it rolling. Where are we headed?
Okay, I'll take platform for 200.
Great. With core regions, voice options, and multiple languages, Genesys Cloud offers this to customers. Ooh. The answer is, what is global supportability? With data regulations and companies needing to meet more global requirements, Genesys Cloud continues to expand its global supportability. We have 10 core AWS regions with the most recent expansion in Mumbai and a satellite region planned for South Africa later this year. And Genesys Cloud Voice continues to expand, being offered in 17 countries with Mexico and Brazil coming soon. And lastly, we'll continue to expand our language support within varying capabilities such as Messenger and speech-to-text analytics. So let's take a quick pause and check out our scoreboard. So Chris did pretty good the first half, really knows his stuff with inbound and outbound and AI. So Chris has 1,800 points, and Rakesh, unfortunately, you have 0, but we are only halfway through. So there's a comeback. I feel a comeback. But Chris, back to you. It's your turn.
All right, let's try workforce engagement for 200.
Great. With this iOS or Android mobile app, agents can view their schedule, submit time off requests, and receive notifications about schedule updates.
What is Genesys Tempo? Yeah, definitely get your agents to download the Tempo app from the App Store. It's a great little app to make it easy for them to view their schedule, get notifications, and manage some of the time off as well. Yeah, let's keep going. I think this is a great category for me. Let's go for workforce engagement for 400.
This Genesys Cloud function allows supervisors to easily set up a package of content that includes recordings, documents, notes, and links to help mentor and guide their agents.
What is scheduled coaching? Yeah, that's right. Supervisors can easily schedule coaching appointments with their agents right from the interaction detail view. They can click on the schedule coaching button, provide more details and description as to why they're having this coaching session, add links to additional interactions or external URLs, as well as documents inside Genesys Cloud. This coaching capability also interfaces with WFM, so it can ensure that an optimal time slot has been selected for coaching. Once the coaching appointment has been created, notifications are sent to the agent as well as the facilitator, and right from their inbox, they can open up that coaching appointment, see the details, and then even add additional notes where they can put in information around what happened during the coaching session, as well as any action items to follow up on. It's a great little feature in Genesys Cloud. All right, let's continue down the workforce engagement path. How about workforce engagement for 600?
This capability allows users to search for voice or digital conversations with specific words or phrases or negative and positive sentiment.
What is content search? So content search is a capability of our speech and text analytics solution. Through content search, I can find interactions based on the content of the interaction, not just its metadata. So here I can search for interactions based on exact match, similar to where specific words, in this case, good morning, were spoken. When I open up this interaction, I can see that the details of the interaction along with its transcripts, and right here you can see the words good morning were detected. I'll take workforce engagement for 800.
Easily start gaining insights into contact center interactions with this many out-of-the-box topics, prepackaged with speech and text analytics.
What is 41? So Genesys Cloud comes with 41 out-of-the-box topics around agent behavior, customer experience, and contact reason. And these just provide a starting point for your speech and text analytics program. These can, of course, be customized, changed, added to as needed, and really helps to get your program off the ground from day one. All right, let me try and run the board here. I'll take workforce engagement for 1,000.
Great. This user interface allows agents to get an at-a-glance view of their performance and engage with their peers in friendly competition.
What is agent activity, scoreboard, and leaderboards? These 3 new functions are part of our gamification performance management suite. Here I can see my schedule for the day, access my full schedule if I need to, see my point summary, upcoming coaching, assigned modules, and personal bests. I can also see my scorecard to see how I'm performing on key metrics, and then also look at the leaderboards where I can see my performance against my peers on specific metrics. What can I say? I know my workforce engagement.
There
All
we
right,
go.
let's move on to platform for 400.
These step-by-step guides and ready-to-import configurations make it easy to extend Genesys Cloud with differentiated solutions built by the business. What are developer blueprints and templates? Developers can easily extend functionality of Genesys Cloud using blueprints and templates. Our blueprints are step-by-step guides on how to solve various business problems, and the templates allow for quick configuration using ready-to-import assets, such as unique flows, data actions, or bot configs. And the best part, our blueprints and templates are also community sourced, so you can tap into innovation from really anywhere. Find these by searching blueprint or template in the App Foundry. So that was a round. That was really impressive. I mean, Rakesh making a big comeback. If we look at the scoreboard, Rakesh has 3,000, and Chris, you're still remaining at 1,800. So we're kind of halfway through. Let's close this out. And I think Rakesh, it's back to you.
Okay, let's see. I'll take digital for 200.
Customers can interact with your contact center, sales team, or marketing properties using this many interaction types, except for voice.
Ooh, what are 9? And they include email, SMS, web messaging, web chat, our new open messaging, Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, Line, and in development soon, Instagram messaging. Leveraging these channels enables contact centers to contact their customers on their terms via the medium or app that they like best and where a conversation originated. It also provides the agents with the ability to shift channels where necessary to meet customers at their most readily available channel, and provides them all of this through a single agent interface that has context and conversation history. Pretty cool. All right, Natalie, let's go to digital for 600.
Awesome. Facilitate messaging with third-party systems using this feature, including leveraging within architect flows to apply routing rules, data actions, auto responses, and bot capabilities to the interactions.
What are open messaging APIs? Using our new open messaging APIs, you can now integrate third-party messaging systems. With these APIs, you can leverage Genesys Cloud's asynchronous ACD capabilities to route inbound open messages to the right queues and agents. Get the same powerful flow configuration capabilities using Architect to apply data actions, auto responses, and bots to interactions from those systems. The 4 most popular use cases for open messaging APIs are integrating homegrown messaging solutions, comment plugins to your own properties, review sites such as Yelp, and specialty social or messaging channels.
That sounds pretty cool.
All right.
Where are we headed from here?
Oh, thanks. How about inbound and outbound for 800?
With this feature, you can assign records to specific outbound dialer agents.
What are agent-owned campaigns? And here's no one famous to describe with a video to describe how it works and its benefits.
Agent-owned records connects agents with assigned accounts in a preview campaign. Records are linked to specific agents rather than the system randomly sending records to a group of agents. As it is a preview campaign, agent-owned is a manual dialing mode, meaning an automatic dialer does not make calls based on the outcome of calculations or predictions. Instead, the system sends records to the associated agents and waits for the agents to confirm that the call should be dialed. How does it work? In agent-owned records for preview campaigns, agents are connected to specific records through a dedicated column in the contact list. The system then presents information about the contact to the listed agent before dialing. The agent reviews the customer record and then decides to take the call or skip to the next record. You can use agent-owned records for preview campaigns if account ownership is a key part of your business, or you want to eliminate the risk of call abandonment. And that's it.
That was riveting. Chris, back to you.
All right, how about platform for 600?
Replicating all your ongoing voice and screen recordings from Genesys Cloud into your own AWS S3 bucket is made easy using this recording functionality.
I think I got this one. What is the export recording with integration policy? So this is the type of recording policy that allows customers to export recordings, voice, screen, and digital to an external AWS S3 bucket. And this is done on a continuous basis based on certain matching criteria. This is useful if you want to then use those recordings in a third-party application or for longer-term archival purposes.
Awesome. Rakesh, over to you. Next category.
All right, let's go over to Platform for 1000.
With these two popular integrations, businesses can break down communication silos between back office employees and contact center agents and improve personalization through enhanced customer data, guiding routing and orchestration roles. No one? What are CRM and UCC integrations? When you integrate your CRM system, you can improve the personalization of each interaction using that customer data to guide dynamic routing decisions and treatments across all channels with superior context. We have pre-built integrations with Salesforce, Dynamics, and Zendesk. And of course, you can use our open APIs to integrate really any third-party system. The second most popular is UCC, such as Microsoft Teams, making it easy for agents to reach out to an expert for real-time information. And coming soon, your employees will be able to schedule and manage Zoom meetings right from the interface within Genesys Cloud. So again, you can, these are the two most popular, but you can also integrate anything using open APIs. So I think Rakesh, back to you.
All right, let's try digital for 800.
Have personalized proactive communications or mass communications using this feature, allowing businesses to send outbound notifications from backend systems, either by an agent or automatically triggered by events.
What are SMS notifications for Genesys Cloud? Contact centers are often challenged to find a quick way to notify customers of appointment reminders, delivery notifications, fraud alerts, coupons, even surveys. If I want to send out a mass communication for, say, when a school is closed unexpectedly due to a weather event, I'll use an SMS campaign, along with a content builder platform to quickly get the word out to a large number of customers with personalized information. You can also enable event-based notifications, such as a delivery attempt or an appointment reminder. Using trigger-based campaigns, you can proactively communicate with customers via SMS, WhatsApp, and emails coming soon, all without an agent hitting send. These simple and efficient solutions can help reduce operation costs while ensuring important, time-sensitive alerts are delivered to the customers via their channel of choice.
And that's awesome. I thoroughly enjoy when businesses use that to remind me of appointments. So it looks like we're almost at time, but before we head to Final Jeopardy, let's check out the scoreboard. So coming in with the totals, Chris with a whopping 4,200 and Rakesh with a good comeback, but not quite, with 3,600. So it looks like, Chris, you get the bragging rights for this one. So on to our final clue, which will be our Final Jeopardy. This product allows you to combine and orchestrate all the capabilities discussed and more to provide tailor-made care for each customer. Chris, Rakesh?
What's Genesys Cloud, right?
That's right. That's right. That's right. It's Genesys Cloud. With Genesys Cloud, you can take a more customer-centric and employee-centric approach in your contact centers, orchestrating multi-channel, personalized experiences, all from a single application. So I hope you had fun. I hope you learned a little bit. Again, we released over 260 features. So if there's something that you missed or something specific you're looking for, make sure you head towards our resource center or chat us here. We'll be around all week, and enjoy the rest of the breakout sessions today. Thank you.